Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. We often wonder why. But after generations and generations, I'm telling you, it has always been that way. Of course, things don't always turn out the way you expect. But who's complaining, right? Because these waters are not just special. They make everything better. As for me, this is my natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Once again, thank you very much for the kind patience. So we'd like to have a press conference for the newly departing scholarship student. We call the MEXT scholarship students, as I introduced before. This is Mr. Marina here. And first of all, I'd like to request Ambassador to give him a kind of a farewell words. Ambassador, thank you very much.
I would like to extend my strong, big congratulations to Mr. Marina for being selected as the MEXT scholarship student. I understand that you are studying in Osaka University.
Yes, that's correct.
Osaka is a great city. Osaka is the second largest city in Japan. And it is well known for very easy-going citizens. It's a bit different from capital Tokyo. Capital Tokyo is a bit snow, with snow. But Osaka, everybody is easygoing, and everybody, including the ladies, they really love jokes. Really love jokes. So you have to accustom to all kinds of jokes. And while you study in Osaka, I'm sure you will pick up some of the Osaka language, which you can use even in Tokyo. Now there are many Osaka comedians in the TV shows, so all Japanese understand Osaka language. And it is a good tool to be friends with all the Japanese, so I encourage you to speak Osaka language. It's very easy. You just watch TV programs and mix with the Japanese people. And of course, you're going to study about how to protect ourselves from tsunami and natural disasters. And I really hope that you gain a lot of knowledge knowledge and know-how on that matter. I really, and since there was a COVID, you were the first student since 2003, about 3 years. So I hope that this kind of a scholarship, like many other students, will follow you. I congratulations.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador.
Well, thank you very much, Ambassador, for your kind remarks. So now, may I request Mr. Marina to give us a few words for your kind of, how to say, express of your appreciation. Thank you very much, Mr. Marina.
So I'm just very thankful to receive this scholarship. It's been a blessing. I'm looking forward to my studies in Osaka University to do my master's. My master's will be focused on civil engineering, focused on coastal engineering, looking at natural disaster mitigation. This is something that Samoa, is well versed with, just like Japan is. So I thought that this would be a gap in the skills that Samoa might need in the future. So this is something that I'm really interested in doing, and hopefully bringing these skills back to Samoa, and hopefully to open up my own engineering firm in the future. But that's for another day. So yeah. Thank you again, Mr. Ambassador, for your kind words.
Well, I was born in the western part of Japan. It's near Osaka. It's far from Tokyo, but near Osaka. And I was born in 1958. So when I was young, everybody talked that Osaka and Kobe regions are safe. There will be no earthquake. So when I first thought about buying a house, I thought about getting a house in Kobe, because I thought there will be no earthquake, and Kobe has a very good beef and also seafood. So I thought about living there, but in 1995, a big earthquake struck the Kobe region. So I think you can also learn a little bit of earthquakes there. And this is also the reminder that no place is safe. No place is safe. When I came to Samoa, some people say, oh, you have to be careful about tsunami on the southern coast, but northern coast isn't so dangerous. But you never know what happens.
Yeah.
So fortunately, Osaka is located in the inland sea area, so no tsunami. But if you visit the Awaji Island is I think about 40 minutes drive from Osaka. And Awaji Island, there's the earthquake memorial, and there's a big building built over the, the rifted grounds. There's 100 meters of the rifted ground formed by the earthquake. So I think you can, if you have time, you can visit this memorial in the Awaji Island. And Awaji Island, they have a great fish. Great fish.
Yeah.
Very nice. And there's a bridge, so you can just drive.
Okay. We'll definitely do it. Definitely visit.
Thank you very much, Ambassador, for the additional kinds of information. So now, may I ask Excellency and Mr. Marina to please stand up and shake hands for a photo of 2 minutes, please.
Yeah.
So all the best to Mr. Marina.
Look at you.
Yes, please. Can you look just this camera? Big 1, 2. But
Okay, I'll come.
not smiling. Sorry, more smiles.
No.
There we go. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Well, we went to Mexico.
La Samoa, La Samoa, faamuamua le atua o ia o la ufaavae a o mai ni puapuanga faama o situ maupea o te alofa ia te oe la Samoa. La Samoa.
whaingatai a oe ona tausa ilisa tupe mō maliu. Whaipoiponga, a onga le whanau. Ta avale, ho o se whare fōu.
Isa! Tahu! Maua lona kamba! Wa vili magei lewa maua! Kopi manguele kapungia! Kopere rope maua ngai!
A whio mai nei loe le Federal Pacific Finance mo so mana onga tau tupe wafi.
Oi le! Ah, saka kau le whaingaruenga!
Federal Pacific Finance, serving Samoa's financial needs.
Alliance Recruitment, we're based in New Zealand and we're 100% owned and operated by a Samoan family. We're here to recruit people, give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota to be able to come over to New Zealand.
Ka leilo me a faise le wa madiu matpo inga wa leilo po fe ama se pupi
se mam awa ke poli cha war faila insure ase yo ka war ba iphone fang faisa ulo
fe me fe ya ulo na ke fenga venga
mar fam ma se ka ma la faila insure
ke pongi
se ku mai san
mai
ola ese kala
ol nga sa faila insure ko inga o ke sa nga ku o mga media ko i pepa e wi lisa ya o insure ko inga
se yo la ka heo usu ai ol ofisa ma ave pepa madiu.
O lau insiwa e au wala i se te unga tupe mo le lumanai manuia. E mole puipuinga tau tupe o lau soifua e tua i aile whanau e tina por tamao le ainga. Mai mawhai ona tauna no atu mo so se mahua anga i te whina ngalo i ai.
Ale mwhai roa sau kako i ko wha makana.
Tina, o ke polo le mwhai le lo se wala.
E le si lo la se kama so.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.